I'd like for us to do some lighting for this scene. So we'll start by setting up a camera, and then we can set up the lights. So for the camera, you can hit Shift A and click on camera. And I'm actually going to hit M, then click on new collection. And I'll change the name of this to render. Call it lighting and render, so that everything that is going to be associated with this are in one collection. So I'll click on create. So here in the outliner, you can see that's what we have. Then this collection, I can call it scene objects. So what I can do currently is I can zoom in to the model. Then I can hold down Control Alt 0. So Control Alt 0 will make this my current view. And as you can see, there's an issue. Yes, I have made this into my current view, but I can't see anything. So over the creation of the model, we've been changing the clip start whenever we have clipping in our mesh. But right now we're looking through the camera whose clipping is a bit different. So if I select the camera and then we go to the data settings for the camera, we can reduce the clip start. And you can see that this now comes back when the clip start is set to 0.001 meters. Then you can go to these settings for setting up the image size. So that is under this output icon. So this printer icon with an image. So I'll change the resolution from 1920 by 1080 to, let's say, 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Okay. So then if you want to adjust your framing, what we can do is in the view option, my camera is selected. We can choose to go to view lock. So if yours is minimized, you can maximize it. Then we can set the camera to view. Once you set the camera to view, once you start moving around, so if I start moving around, you can see that we're kind of adjusting our camera view. So I'm going to use these icons on the right to make my adjustments. And then you can also use this gizmo at the top as well. So this is how I prefer to do it. But of course, there are many ways to do one thing. So I'm just trying to frame up my object. So I think that's fine. Once you're satisfied with your framing, you need to turn off camera to view, because when you forget about turning this off, what's going to happen is you'll make a change and ruin your framing. So you need to turn it off. So I'll turn it off, then you can go back to item. So now if I rotate, I'm out of the camera view. I want to jump into the camera view. I can click on this camera option like so, or I can hit 0 on the numerical keypad. So there are many ways to do the same thing. So the reason I've set up the camera first is because we're going to be using the add-on Tri-Lighting. So there's this add-on that I had talked about at the beginning of this tutorial series, the add-ons that I was using. So this is the first one that I want us to use, so Tri-Lighting. So make sure that you kind of click on get add-on, download, then you can install it in your preferences.